Welcome back, dear children. In the previous class, we have seen about sources. Shall we continue the topic about Sangam age? Now we are going to study about Moovendar. Moovendars controlled the territories of Tamilagam during the Sangam age. The Tamil word Vendar was used to refer to three dynasties, namely the Chera dynasties, the Cholas dynasty and the Pandya dynasties. The Cheras ruled over the central and north Tiruvangur, Cochin, South Malabar and Kongu region of Tamil Nadu. Where did the Chera rule? The Chera ruled over the central and north Tiruvangur, Cochin, South Malabar and Kongu region of Tamil Nadu. The Padithupattu provides information about the Chera kings. It is known that the Chera king Senguttuvan went on military expedition to North India. He brought stones from the Himalayas for making idol of Kannagi, an epic character from Silappadigaram. He introduced Pathini cult. Cheran Senguttuvan's younger brother was Ilango Adigal. He was the first author of Silappadigaram. Who was the author of Silappadigaram? Ilango Adigal. Another Chera king, Seral Irumborai, issued coins in his name. Some Chera coins bear their emblem of bow and arrow. Prominent Chera rulers. What is the meaning of prominent? The prominent means famous king or important king. First one Udayan Cheraladan. Second one Imaya Varamban. Third one Neduncheraladan. Fourth one Seran Senguttuvan. The last one Seral Irumborai. Next we are going to see about Cholas. The Chola kingdom of Sangam period extended up to Vengadam Hills. The Kaveri Delta region remained the central part of the kingdom. This area was later known as Chola Mandalam. Karigala Valavan or Karigalan was the most famous king of the Chola kings. He defeated the combined army of the Cheras, Cholas and the Velir chieftains who supported them at Venni, a small village in the Tanjavur region. He converted forest into cultivatable lands. He built Kallanai across the river Kaveri to develop agriculture. Their port Pugar attracted merchants from various regions of the Indian Ocean. The Pattinapalai, a poetic work in the Padinun Keelkanakku, gives elaborate information of the trading activity during the rule of Karigalan. Kallanai, it was a dike built with stones. What's the meaning of dike? A long wall or embankment built to prevent flooding from the river or sea. It was constructed across the Kaveri to divert water throughout the delta region for irrigation. When it was built, Kallanai irrigated an area of about 69,000 acres. Prominent Chola rulers Ilanjet Senni, Karigal Valavan or Karigalan, Konchenganan, Killi Valavan, Perunar Killi. How will you say? Ilanjet Senni, Karigal Valavan, Konchenganan, Killi Valavan, Perunar Killi. Next we are going to see about Pandyas. The Pandyas ruled the present day southern Tamil Nadu. The Pandya kings patronized the Tamil poets and scholars. Several names of Pandya kings are mentioned in the Sangam literature. Neduncheliyan is hailed as the most popular warrior. he defeated the combined army of the Chera, Chola and 5 Veli chieftains at Talayalanganam. He is praised at the Lord of Korkai. Pandya country was well known for pearl hunting. Pandya kings issued many coins. Their coins have elephant on one side and fish on another side. Mudugudumbi Peruvaladi issued coins to commemorate his performance of many Vedic rituals. What's the meaning of commemorate? Commemorate means to honor the memory of king. Prominent Pandya rulers. First one Nediyon. Second one Nanmaran. Third one Mudugudumi Peruvaludi. Last one Nedunjeliyan. The titles assumed by the Moovenders Chera, Adavan, Kuttuvan, Vanavan, Irumborai. Chola's title Senni, Sempiyan, Killi, Valavan. Pandya's title Maran, Valudi, Cheliyan, Tenner. In this video, we can see the rest of this lesson in the next part. Thank you, dear children. Learn well, do well.